Hello everybody, I hope everybody is doing well in this COVID-19 lockdown situation. I know the situation is very difficult, but we have to face it, we have to strongly fight for it. Today I'm going to show you the super easiest way to make a brown bread. And for making a brown bread, we need some specific ingredients and a magic machine. And with this machine, if I can make a brown bread, then anybody can make a brown bread. Okay, let's start with the ingredients. We need 1 cup of water, 1.5 cup of white flour, all-purpose flour, half cup of brown flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of oil. First, we will start with the water. 1 cup of water. We pour it inside a container. Then we'll put a sugar. 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then we'll put yeast. It's like normal yeast you can buy from any store. 1 teaspoon of yeast. Then we'll put this brown flour, half cup of brown flour. Then we'll put this 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. And then we'll put 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oils. One tablespoon of milk powder. And then we put this container in this bread maker I have over here. This can make a bread and many more things, but the good thing is that it has different options and preset programming for making bread or many things more. We'll just put it, powered on, and the first function is obviously for bread. You just play the button. Mixing by itself, it will do the kneading, it will leave it for fermentation and bake it as per the actual temperatures, and it will give a beep when the time will finish after 250. So finally, after 2 or 50 minutes, we get a bread like this. Really soft, fresh, warm and milky. So if you want to see some more interesting videos from my life, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.